I don't want to get rid of my washing machine. I like my washing machine. It's simple, it's easy to understand. And yes, this makes sense to me. However, this is good. This is very much not good. You'll notice when I spin it, the drive wheel barely moves. Still, it was old, it was found in a cow barn. And these two capacitors here are what it cost me to fix it up. That got the motor there running. And it gave me a year and a half of good service until the bearings finally went, which probably isn't a surprise, given the age of the machine.
My microphone ran out of battery, so I'm dubbing this in later. I'll just glue this on here, and nobody will be any the wiser that there's a piece missing from inside. And here is that missing piece, the heart of the machine. This little gizmo is what makes it all work, and I'm going to keep it, because I'd like to do a deep dive on it sometime to figure out exactly how it does what it does.